In the world of ultra-luxury SUVs, the 2024 Rolls-Royce Cullinan stands out as a masterclass in opulence, sophistication, and engineering prowess. Named after the largest diamond ever discovered, this second iteration of the Cullinan continues the legacy of its predecessor while introducing enhancements that elevate the driving experience and cater to the evolving tastes of discerning clientele. Cullinan fulfilled its purpose as a supremely accomplished motor car. Numerous clients have told Rolls-Royce that no other SUV offers the same effortless performance as Cullinan's 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine. Delivering 563 horsepower with four-wheel drive and four-wheel steering, capable of taking its owner into locations never previously explored in a Rolls-Royce. The Cullinan Series 2 builds on the recognizable silhouette of the original with subtle yet impactful design tweaks. Black Badge Cullinan Series 2 available at launch, tailored to those seeking a more visceral interpretation of Rolls-Royce. The front of Cullinan Series 2 is composed of simple feature lines and crisp edges, with an emphasis on clean, monolithic surfaces that amplify the motor car's generous proportions and presence. The centerpiece is the illuminated Pantheon grille, now subtly reshaped, with more sharper edges and less rounded than its predecessor, adds an even more imposing presence. This is the first time that Cullinan has been provisioned with an illuminated grille, which has been further refreshed with a lower leading edge. It also incorporates a new polished horizontal horizon line between the daytime running lights, providing a clear visual link to the marque's pinnacle product, Phantom Series 2. Bespoke program remains a cornerstone, allowing owners to fully personalize their Cullinan Series 2. The interior of the Cullinan is a haven of tranquility. The signature coach doors swing open to reveal a cabin that's more like a private sanctuary than a typical automobile interior. Interior palette includes new botanical materials and modern craft techniques. Every surface is meticulously finished, from hand-stitched leather to polished veneers. New clock cabinet vitrine incorporates Spirit of Ecstasy figurine into Cullinan's interior, hints at company's legacy. Every surface has been thoughtfully designed to evoke luxury, and the seats are adjustable in multiple ways to cater to each occupant's preference. Rear passengers are treated to their own entertainment suite, ensuring a customized experience for each journey. The viewing suite, a hallmark of the Cullinan, is enhanced with electronically deployed seats and a cocktail table, perfect for scenic stops. Technology in the Cullinan Series 2 is discreet yet comprehensive. The high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system integrates seamlessly with the analog clock and classic design cues. The gauge cluster panel in front of the driver and new, permanently visible central information display in the center of the fascia. It also presents opportunities for bespoke personalization to extend from the physical to the digital world. Cullinan built a new legacy for Rolls-Royce motor cars, shaped in collaboration with a bold and uncompromising generation of super-luxury consumers. Cullinan Series 2 evolves and builds on this motor car's place in the brand. Its seamless blend of innovation, design, and performance makes it the ultimate choice for those who demand nothing less than perfection. From its commanding presence to its exquisite interior, the Series 2 is a symbol of wealth and sophistication that sets the benchmark in the world of luxury SUVs. So, will it be your choice? Share your thoughts in the comments.